Hi viewers.
Hi truckies, Sam here from Russell Transport, a very cool bloke. He drives this beautiful Mack Anthem B-double.
Just heading back to Cache Ridge, back to our yard to load up for tomorrow.
Oh, so you are heading to Brisbane. Which town did you do your delivery?
Bundaberg.
Bundaberg. Oh, okay. Then safe travels. That's Sam's beautiful truck, Mack Anthem, on his way back from Bundaberg, heading south to Acacia Ridge in Brisbane. Subscribe to Global Wheelers. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube page. Cheers.